Many people are asking about stem cell therapy. We call it regenerative medicine, and in fact, Prolotherapy and Prolozone are the first regenerative medicine treatments. They stimulate your body to heal, to regenerate or build new connective tissue and repair. They stimulate the body to start the repair process. And the regenerative medicine here at Advanced Medicine Alternatives, we use umbilical cord human tissue products to stimulate that healing. It's a strong stimulation for your body to build new tissue and repair. It wakens up your repair process. So does Prolozone Prolotherapy, but it's using different materials. There are growth factors and proteins, cytokines, and other factors that wake up and say, hey, this area needs to be repaired, and that's the goal. We've been doing the regenerative medicine using human cell tissue products for 5 years now, and most people are quite happy with the results. It's of course variable and no guarantees can be made, but most people have found in the last year about 70% improvement, and they've all been happy that they went ahead with it. The cost is more expensive than Prolotherapy, multiples of Prolotherapy, but it's not that greatly different than a series of 3 to 6 treatments of Prolotherapy or Prolozone versus 1 or sometimes 2 treatments of the regenerative medicine using human cell tissue products. So in summary, we're having good results for the most part with regenerative medicine, and also of course with Prolozone and Prolotherapy. But for those who want to take the next step, call, make an appointment, and we can sit down and evaluate your situation.